Stand in front of a mirror. Open your dental monitoring application. The application is intuitive and will guide you. Press the Take Scan button and follow the instructions.
Remove your aligners. Unmute your phone. Place your phone into the ScanBox and latch it in. Insert the cheek retractor and snap the ScanBox into place.
Position the arch downwards. Insert one side first, then the other. You will hear a click when your ScanBox is properly attached to your retractor. During the scan, audio instructions will guide you through the steps. Let's go.
Double tap on the screen to start the scan. For this step, bite down on your back teeth and keep your teeth together.
Start moving your head as soon as you hear the camera make a sound.
Shift the ScanBox to one side. Now shift the ScanBox to the other side.
Make sure you move the ScanBox at the same rate as the progress bar. Scan all the way to the side to make sure your back teeth are well seen. You can also turn your head slightly in the opposite direction if that is easier.
Back to the center.
If you need to restart the current step, simply press the Restart button.
For this next step, you'll have to keep your teeth slightly apart and scan side to side.
Open your mouth just enough for your tongue to fit in between your teeth.
For this next step, insert your aligners. Open your mouth slightly and keep your teeth apart.
To remove the ScanBox, hold the retractor in place with your thumbs and pull the box forward. Then remove the retractor. That's it. Now it's your turn to try out your first scan.